Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Matt Sirwa, and it's both an honor and a privilege for me to introduce Mecca Okochi. I've been anticipating this moment for some time, and like you, I look forward to hearing Mecca speak. Mecca was born to engage in politics. His father was a diplomat, and he took to politics as a young student. He obtained his BSc in Nigeria, completed a master's in engineering in Sweden, where he finished at the top of his class. He was drawn to Regina in 2004 on a scholarship to study engineering at the University of Regina. He's currently completing his PhD thesis in the field of sustainable municipal infrastructure, where he is a published author. In his work experience, Mecca has demonstrated a clear understanding of issues that are relevant to Regina's business community. Mecca was a leader of business development at Sask Energy. He was VP of Innovation and Business Development at Communities of Tomorrow. And he's currently VP and Director of Economic Development at ROC, Regina Regional Opportunities Commission. More importantly, Mecca possesses qualities which are often sought in politics: strength of character, passion for everything he does, and an ability to make meaningful connections with everyone he meets. Mecca is a natural leader, and he has a gift in bringing people together to work towards a common objective. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Mecca Okochi.
Thank you. Thank you so much for joining me today. Merci Miigwech. I'm deeply humbled by your support. You guys inspire me. You inspire me. Thank you so much. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Mecca Okochi, and I am pleased to be here with you this afternoon. As I look around this room, as we come together and we gather here this afternoon, we reaffirm the generosity, the compassion, and the kindness that is Regina. So thank you very much, my dear friends. Thank you. To my francophone friends who are here this afternoon, pour mes amis francophones qui sont ici aujourd'hui, je vous remercie pour nous avoir rejoints. Merci beaucoup. Now, before I go any further, there are a few very special people I'd like to acknowledge. These are people that believed in me from the very beginning, that have stood by me every step of the way to this podium. First of all, my beautiful wife, Funke. Funke and I have been friends for almost 14 years. And there is nobody else I want standing by my side today as we begin this extraordinary journey. I love you so much. Thank you. To my extended family members who are here today, to Uju, to Aramide, Gabriel, and Romy, thank you so much for your love as well. And to my very good friends, many of you in the room today, but there are certain people who have given of themselves at every possible moment as we thought through this process. To Matt, who introduced me, to Jay, to Brad, who is an amazing kid. And Jay, I just can't start talking about you, but thank you so much for your work. You're just an amazing guy. To Chi, to Judy, to Holly, and Josh. Your support means a lot to me. And I thank you. You guys are the best. It was 8 years ago on a cold February night when I first set foot here in Regina. I had come on a doctoral scholarship to study at the university. And I still remember the cold drive from the airport to the university campus. I remember the walls of thick white snow that stood on both sides of the road. Now, just a day or two before I arrived, the university had been shut down due to a snowstorm. And in that moment, I really wondered whether I had made the right decision. But in the days and weeks that followed, I came in contact with the true spirit of the city. Strangers on the streets extending a warm hand of kindness. Neighbors going out of their way to make me realize I was truly welcome in this community. And in those actions and in those moments, I knew that I had found home. And here in Regina, I have made some of the best friends that life could ever bless me with. Again, many of you are here in the room this afternoon. In all the places I have lived, from Tokyo to Paris, from Lagos to Gothenburg, I have never met the kind of generosity that lives here in Regina. I love this city. And as you know, we're one of the top 5 places to live in Canada. Yeah. And in 2011, we led the country with a GDP growth of 6.1%. We're just warming up. Regina has given me so many great opportunities. I started off working in a lab at the university for $1,000 a month. Those were very difficult days. But I kept going on. And eventually I got my first real break with Communities of Tomorrow, CT, a unique economic development organization that brought together some of the best and brightest researchers here in Saskatchewan, some of the best business people, and some of the best municipal engineers to find innovative solutions to some of the problems that we faced around municipal infrastructure. Together, we are creating local solutions here in Saskatchewan. We are finding ways to solve real problems that would have applications in other parts of the regions of Canada and the world. And together, we were able to record some significant achievements. I started off as a business development leader and rose to become vice president of business development and innovation. After that, I moved to Sask Energy. You guys are in the room? I moved to Sask Energy to become a business development project leader. I had the opportunity to work with a number of my colleagues, some of whom are here today, as well as various organizations. And we were advancing some of the most innovative, sustainable energy projects in the province. The goal of many of those projects was to drive investments into Saskatchewan and to ensure sustainable long-term growth in an environmentally responsible way. Today, I am a vice president with the Regina Regional Opportunities Commission, the agency responsible for economic development and tourism for the Regina region. In my role there, I lead the economic development team as we work with various partners to support entrepreneurship in Regina, as well as to attract investments, opportunities, and talents to our city. In each of these roles, I have enjoyed working with the people of Regina. I've enjoyed serving the people of Regina. It has been my greatest privilege. Now, when I came here many years ago, Regina was different. It was not the city we know today. Today, the world knows Regina, the world sees Regina, and the world is coming to Regina. But I firmly believe that we have only scratched the surface of our potential as a city. I believe that our best days are still ahead. I also believe in a future that maximizes the opportunities of today, while ensuring that the decisions that we make now will not cause undue hardship to those coming after us tomorrow. My friends, this civic election will be crucial, because what we do in this election will shape Regina for many years to come. I want to have a voice in this process, and I want to be that voice that brings our citizens together to do extraordinary things for Regina. I know I can be that leader. And that is why today, in the presence of my family and friends, and you, my fellow citizens, I am announcing my candidacy for Mayor of Regina. But I know that there will be some who will be skeptical about my candidacy, who will wonder, who is this Mecca and what makes him think that he can be Mayor of Regina? That is okay. I intend to earn every single vote. I am not running for second or third place in a popularity contest. Make no mistake, I am in it to win it. And though I may look different and sound different and have a funny sounding name, I share a common history with many of your families, with the brave women and men that left distant lands to find a new home and a new life here in Regina and in cities all across Canada. Women and men who gave their all day and night to provide a better life for their children and for future generations. It is on the shoulders of those heroes that we stand today. And when the history of this moment is written, when those who come after us find our path and relive our story, it is my hope that they also will find worthy shoulders to stand upon. To those of you who have been on the sidelines of our democracy, who have lost faith in our political process, I hope you find inspiration in our message. I hope you lend your voice to this election, because what we do on October 24th will determine our common future. So please, get involved. Make sure that you vote. Make sure that you have your say in what happens for the future of Regina. Now, in the next weeks and months, my team and I will be in your neighborhoods. We will be talking with you, sharing our ideas for the future, and asking for your inputs. Please join us. Join us as we embark on this important task of building Regina for the future. And I know that what we have started here today, in this room in downtown Regina, on a beautiful April afternoon, can find life in every corner of the city. And I promise you that if you stand with me in this election, if you knock on doors with me, and you tell your family and your friends, your neighbors and your co-workers about the ideas that we are creating together, then I promise you that together we will write the next great chapter of Regina's history. So let's get to work, let's build our Regina, let's build our future. Thank you.
onye yiri nne nwere n'ọchịchị onye ga na-achị Regina as a mayor. At the HM say ọ ga-win ma emechaa ya, and all of us nọ here I ga-support ya. Ndụmọdụ m ga-enye ya bụ ya ịla aga ihe gbasara ihe ya etinye n'obi si ya ga-win, and ịghọfere onwe ya dịka onye ojii ma ọ gịnị ya ekwuo ihe ọ ga-eme gị gbasara gị bara onye ọbụla bi na Regina uru, ma onye ọcha ma onye ojii.
Ihe anyị hụrụ taa egosila anyị na o kwesịrị ekwesị ịbịa n'ọchịchị, because ndị ọcha na ndị ojii ji otu obi nabata ya na ọnọdụ ya. Anyị nwere olileanya na ọ ga-achịta obodo a based on his past experiences in leadership na ihe o mere. Ndụmọdụ m nwere ebe a wụ na ya ejide ka o ji otu o si na-eme dị anyị mma, na ya etinye first ọtọ ọ ga-eji dịrị onye ọbụla bi na Regina mma, ka ọ na-atụ ero ihe ndị ọ ga-emere anyị o were dịrị ọha na eze nọ na Regina mma.
Mgbe m nwere na Satọde gara aga, agwara m ya sị ojije nke iji nweghị onye ga-anụ sị gị tiri Fomeyo ya ghara itiri gị ya nara m aka ya sị na ya ga-ejisi ike ka ihe ya chere n'ime obi ya ka ọ fọfilie ya. So obi dị m ụtọ otu anyị ji pụta n'ụbọchị nke taa n'Igwe, ma ndị ojii ma ndị ọcha anyị na-apụta, onye ọbụla pụta kwere na Chineke ga-emeri ya ebere ka ha dịrị ya vootu nke ọbụla ọ chọrọ mgbe a ga-eme vootu a. Anyị kwụsịrị ukwu n'ike, onweghị onye ga-anụ na ọ na-eme ịzọ meyo ya gara ịta ya vootu. Oleso onye na-amaghị ya, ibi ndị onye na-amaghị ya nụ otu agwa nwoke a dị, ọ ga-atarịrị ya vootu. Obi na-atọ m ụtọ nnukwu, obi juru m ụtọ na ọ pụtara. Ọ dịghị izi, a na-ekele Chineke ka Chineke merie ebere ka o nweta ihe ọ na-achọ.
Ihe dị mma bụ atụmatụ dịkwana mma ọ tụpụtara ka o nwee ike were akọluchi ya na ihe ndị ọ mụtara wee mezie obodo anyị nọ n'ime ya wụ Regina. Ọ bụ ihe na-enye m obi aṅụrị na otu onye n'ime anyị ndị ICAS ga-enwe ike iwepụta oge wee na-agagharị na-atụ elu otu ọ ga-esi bụrụ onye isi City of Regina. Ihe a bụ ihe dị mma, onye ọbụla kwesịkwara na ọdụmọdụ m ga-enye ya wụ ka ọ kpọkọta onye ọbụla, ma ndị isi ọcha ma ndị isi ojii ma ndị ụmụ obodo, ka ihe niile a ga-eme ka ọ nwee ndị ga na-enyere ya aka na-akwado ya ka ihe niile gaa nke ọma, ka ọ kwụwakwa n'aka ya ọtọ. Anyị maara na ọ ga-enweta ya mgbe ọ ga na-achị.
I think that's a great thing. I mean, it's awesome that we have somebody who has a vision, that is willing, to take on that leadership role. And certainly is a step in the right direction. He understands the city, he knows the city, he has lived in the city, so definitely it's a step in the right direction. Tito, Kani Yokoto Jetiwa, Totin Beni Louis, Tuli Big Bise. That is what we ìsinsìnyí ó yẹ kẹ́nìkan lè dìde láàrin wa. Lóòótọ́ a lè jẹ́ dúdú ṣùgbọ́n ọpọlọ wa ò dúdú, ìmọ̀ wa ò dúdú, and so we're equally qualified. Àkókò dẹ̀ ti tó fún ẹnìkan láti dìde láti ṣe ohun tí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ rò pé kò ṣeé ṣe. Mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé a ṣeé ṣe fún Emeka lágbára lọ.
I think it's an idea whose time has come, and the opportunity has been made available now, and he's pretty much seized it. He has some good ideas for the city, and I'm just excited to see how everything plays out. He does have those skills and the expertise, so we're just trusting that we will be able to win over the people of Regina. He should just remain calm and keep his head down and just keep going. Remain focused on his message, remain focused on his goals, and don't be perturbed or swayed by any challenges that may come up. Thank you so much. Thank you.